We're going to use StatKey to construct a randomization distribution. In this example, I'll construct a randomization distribution that could be used to conduct a hypothesis test for a single mean. We'll use the built-in dataset, body temperature. Many people believe that the average body temperature for a healthy adult is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to know if there's evidence that the average body temperature for a healthy adult is actually different from 98.6. Our null hypothesis is that mu, the population mean, equals 98.6. Our alternative hypothesis would be that mu does not equal 98.6. On the right, we can see our original sample distribution. We had a sample of 50 healthy adults and measured the body temperature of each. Our sample has a mean of 98.26. When constructing a randomization distribution, StatKey is going to take this original sample and shift it so that it has a mean equal to the value in the null hypothesis. In this case, that would mean shifting it to the right by 0.34. That would give us a mean of 98.6. Let's take one randomization sample. Once the original sample is shifted to have a mean equal to the value in the null hypothesis, we resample with replacement just like we did last week with bootstrapping. Our first randomization sample has a mean of 98.616. That value is plotted on the larger randomization dot plot. Let's take a second randomization sample. This sample has a mean of 98.618. This is also plotted on the randomization dot plot. We could continue to take randomization samples, and in each case, the mean of our randomization sample would be plotted on the randomization dot plot on the left. To speed things up, let's take a few thousand randomization samples. As we take many samples, we can see that our randomization distribution has a mean that is approximately equal to the value in the null hypothesis. The standard error that you see here is the standard deviation of this distribution. Next, you'll see how this randomization distribution can be used to identify the p-value needed to conduct a hypothesis test.